This short video will give you some information about HyFlex classes if you are my student. I will be teaching remotely. So whether you are in school or at home, you will be Zooming into class. So class should not be dramatically different than it was before HyFlex. If you are in the school building on a day that we meet, you will go to room 5140, which is the field house for our class. There will be a desk assigned to you there. Most of the hallways are now one way, which means getting around the building may feel like walking through a strange maze. It will probably take you a few days to learn the most efficient routes between your classes. Don't panic if it takes you more than 10 minutes to get from one class to the next at first. On the bright side, you are going to get a lot of exercise on the days you attend school in person. If you are in school on a day that one of my classes is canceled, you have been assigned a specific place to go. C block goes to the library, D block goes to the student center. If you're in my advisory, you will go to the field house, and my F block students will go to the library and they will take third lunch. Ordinarily, my F block AP Statistics students will have first lunch, which is from 10:45 to 11:20. Class will run from 11:35 to 12:55. If you are in school and want to eat inside the building, our class has been assigned to the student center. If you prefer to eat lunch outside or leave the school, that's fine too. This is the general schedule for lunches. Our class, my F block class, has been assigned to first lunch, as I said a moment ago. But if you have a different class during lunch, you can see what the times will be. Also, there will be free grab-and-go lunches available for everybody. If you are attending school in person, there are some things that you will need. First, you need a charged laptop or tablet to Zoom into class and do online work. I emphasize the word charged because there are very few outlets in the field house, and you will not be allowed to sit anywhere except in your assigned seat. So charging your device during class will not be possible. And the reason for the assigned seats is for contact tracing reason, and also because they need to be sure that everybody is staying an appropriate distance from one another in order to keep people safe. In order to hear what I'm saying or to hear what your classmates are saying while you're in the school building, you will need to use headphones. I am told wireless headphones may be problematic in the field house, so you might want to bring wired headphones if you have them. Try both types the first day, see which works best for you. I also recommend you bring a hard surface and some paper on which to write, because if your computer is sitting on your desk, you may not have enough space to really have your notepad out as well. You'll also need your TI calculator for obvious reasons. There are some things you should bring to school for your own comfort. First of all, dress in layers and bring a coat to school. Some rooms are hot and some are cold. Windows may be open. You'll want to be able to put on a jacket or take off a sweater depending on how the room feels to you. You should bring your own PPE, a mask for sure, and maybe personal hand sanitizer or anything else that you think might help keep you safe. The water fountains in the building are turned off, but there are refill stations where you can refill a water bottle, so I recommend that you bring one to school. Keep in mind, though, that many teachers will not want you to take your mask off to drink during class, so be sure to hydrate between classes. And that's it. See you soon.